Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Handmade. Today, I'm going to show you the creation of this Audi R8 made of plasticine clay step by step. I've started with the car body. Here is a space for wheels and a salon. Next, I shaped the frame for the front of the car. All these elements are necessary for the strength of the structure. The same I did with the back part of the car. Then I created stiffeners and an engine cover panel. After that, I detailed the car interior. I made a dashboard, a gearbox, pedals, and even car floor mats. Everything here is painted in black color, with special acrylic paints for scale models. I covered the whole body car with a very thin layer of yellow plasticine to make it colorful. Then I made doors that can be opened. The roof is made of plasticine and thin wire to strengthen the construction. I used transparent plastic for windows and painted the edging with black paint. Now it's wheels' turn. The tires were made of plasticine clay, but the discs were made of very hard NSP plasticine. In the end, I covered the whole car with the transparent varnish for shining. And here is my creation. I like it so much, so I have no intention to crash it. It will be part of my collection and will be stored on the shelf. I will hone my craft to please you with the new, improved plasticine cars. I hope it was very interesting for you to watch the creation of such a car made of plasticine. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching my video. See you!